Bangkok. Welcome to the Penthouse. About to give you guys a tour of this epic 3-bedroom penthouse on top of Bangkok that we've been staying at for the past while now. Super excited, one of the dopest places I've ever lived. Let's get into the tour. As you walk in, as you can see, epic entry area, modern design, and just very, very spacious. As you walk in, it sets the tone. This is a 3-bedroom spot. We got 2 bedrooms over here. We got the master down there and bedroom number 1. And then over here, we have bedroom number 3. This is my bedroom, and we're gonna get into those in a second. But this is what it looks like when you walk in. All my friends come out here, and I'm like, welcome to the motherfucking pit. So, as you can see, double high ceilings, epic, huge couch. How much is a place like this in Bangkok? So normally you're looking at around 15 to 20K US a month, but we got in like right at the right time. We got a nice COVID times discount. Obviously, I was telling Graham, like, perks of having roommates, you know? So if you're splitting a place like this around like 10, 12K a month, you're looking at like 4K a month. And then also in terms of the location, like this is the best fucking location ever. It's literally connected to the mall that we normally work at. So this is like above the Emporium Mall, which is connected to the M Quartier Mall, which is connected to the BTS station. So literally to get to the BTS, you don't need to go outside. So walk in here and you have what could be my favorite part, this huge, solid ass work table, and we got these office chairs, so you're just sitting in here, plugging in, working, not working, whatever you want to do. This is our home office basically, and of course got the view of beautiful Bangkok. Today it's a little bit smoggy, but I mean, what an epic home office setup that we got going right here. So I'll take you to the next epic thing, balcony. Boom! Humongous balcony, patio, deck, whatever you want to call it, on top of Sukhumvit. I mean, fucking boom! You got sunset, so pretty much we have our own like fucking rooftop bar here. Sunsets have been epic, and today is actually the most smoggy day that I've ever seen. Here, I guess burning season is just now rolling in. These doors open up into the kitchen, and I mean, I love this kitchen. I don't cook or anything, but super sweet kitchen. We got the super nice blender right here. We got the coffee machine. We got the teapot, and let's get into the fridge. So there's a double fridge. There's like a food one and a drink one. Not much food because actually the roommates are down in Phuket right now. This drink one is stocked, so perks of having a personal assistant. Again, they'll keep your fridge stocked, so water, coconut water, red wine, Red Bull. This is a gift from a friend. Thank you, Danning. Some baijiu, some Chinese alcohol. Let's do the rooms real quick. So there are 2 rooms just exactly like this. Bedroom view, Bangkok City, Sukhumvit. What more could you ask for? Super comfy bed. You know, it's what magic happens right here. You know, massages, and you can order an in-room massage anytime you want, obviously. We have the guest bathroom right there. And right next to the master is an identical room. This is room number 2, Parker's room. to the master. You walk in, you look left, you have the master bath. And you have this closet area right here with 4 closets. So 4 closets basically like this. Huge motherfucking closets. Closets on closets on closets. What do you got in this one? This one is just for your pickleball paddles. So this is so deluxe here, just a closet for 1 pickleball paddle. Yeah. And so let's do the room first. So you walk in. A little bit bigger room, plus you got the side couch, and yeah, what I forgot to mention actually is I love this work desk because it has these drawers right here. Just keep all your shit in there. It's just the ideal setup for working. Love the lights, the down lights, and plenty of storage down here. There's shelves up there, but everything is just closed off, and I just love this bedroom layout. It's just ideal. Yeah, these bedrooms, we love the bedrooms. Super nice bedroom. And then walk into the master bath real quick. You got his, you got hers, you got jacuzzi, bathtub right here. You got the toilet, you got the shower. You got the big old gold mirror, you got the marble, you got the backlighting, everything. I love this whole condo. It's like backlit, everything, super nicely done with the warm lighting. And of course, everything is cleaned every day. And so, yeah, perks of a hotel penthouse life. It's super nice, luxurious master. Oh, what the fuck? This shower is way different than mine. Oh, he has an advanced shower. Oh shit. Oh, he's got a button. And then a precise dial. My shit's way different. He's got the upgraded shower in here. Nice, very nice. During COVID in 2020, I was living in Lupini 24. And if you remember my stories, I was working in that kind of co-working space on the top floor. So it's kind of like, instead of a penthouse, it's a shared area. And I remember posting Instagram stories, my future penthouse. And so this place will always be special in our heart. First penthouse ever. Happened to be like the best location and one of the sickest ones in Bangkok. And that's from other people saying it. And then on top of that, the dream has been to also have a place in Phuket at the same time, so you can just go back and forth whenever the fuck you want. So Danny and Parker are in Phuket right now because they felt like it. Me and Bam stayed because we got this video to film and some other videos to film here. And so it's all possible because of that laptop right there, because of e-commerce, because of having the dream to make money online, to start your own business, to do your own thing. So that's it. Bam, anything else that we forgot? Any other thing we should include? Favorite part of this place is honestly just walking around that corner every day and just being like, fucking, what is my life, bro? You know? Like from a $300 apartment in fucking Chiang Mai to $10,000 a month place, you know, on top of Bangkok. It's just, you know, symbolizes, you know, leveling up, and symbolizes the dream, you know? It symbolizes my absolute fucking dream. I wanted to live in a fucking penthouse on top of Bangkok. And finally we're here, and we're just getting started, people. Let's get it!